Hello everyone, welcome back to the DEP Auto Care YouTube channel. You find me today on this extremely wet August afternoon, but today we're going to do a small review. Today we're going to do a review, where's it gone? Of that. So today we're going to be doing a review of the new Infinity Wax Power Foam. We're going to be using it on this brand new Volkswagen Golf 2020. And we're going to be using it in we're not going to be using it in like an extra foam cannon, we're going to be using it in like a standard foam cannon, just to see how it performs and see how it clings. So this wet weather is going to be quite interesting to use it with, to make sure, see if it still clings to the car. So let's have a quick look at the bottle before we get on to it. So that is what we're going to be testing. So Infinity Wax Power Foam, what makes this different to any other snow foam out in the market? Well, speaking to the owner of Infinity Wax, a great guy called Michael Cipriani, they develop in-house, manufacture, design it, manufacture it, distribute it, and they make it all themselves, and everything with the Infinity Wax range is made to work together with everything else. So what makes this different? Cleaning power. The cleaning power of this is second to none. It grips onto dirt on your car, and it literally just drags it off onto the floor. Now the dilution ratios for this are really good. I'll see if I can get in close here. So there you go, general use 50:1, guys. 50:1 dilution ratio for this stuff, brilliant. And for extreme use, 10:1. So this 25 litre bottle, this 5 litre bottle is going to last a long time. A long time, guys. So it's essentially just another snow foam, but a hell of a lot more powerful, and a hell of a lot more value for money in my eyes, because you don't have to use as much of it on every car. So we're going to be using it today on this, which is a 2020 Volkswagen Golf. It's practically brand new, so we're going to be using it on this in this horrendous weather. So we're going to see how it clings with the rain. We're going to see what the cleaning power of it is. Now this car itself isn't too dirty, to be perfectly fair. We've got some dirty wheels there, just a little bit of normal kind of road dirt, to be perfectly honest. We have some bug splats, some flies on the vehicle dotted about, and you can see them there. So what we're going to do is, I was going to do a pre-wash first, but I think what I'm going to do is I'm just going to do the snow foam, and we'll see how the snow foam performs on its own. So let's get right into that. Right guys, let's get stuck into this. So here we have the snow foam bottle. It's a standard snow foam lance. It's not a fancy one, it's just a bog standard one off Amazon. And we have, in the bottom, we have power foam mixed currently at 50:1, mainly because this is it's a brand new car and it's not needed. So what we're going to do is, if I can do this one-handed, we're going to take this off, and then we're going to place this on like so, and let's give this a whirl. Something's not set up right with this. I don't think there's something right with this today. I think my snow foam lance is on its way out. but it'll give us a good idea of the cleaning capabilities. I'm actually wondering if it's just blocked actually, because it's using a hell of a lot of stuff. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put the camera down for a wee second. I'm going to give it a clean out and we'll see if it comes out any better. Right, okay, let's try it again. I'll give it a quick clean out, so we'll see if it comes out any better. That's slightly better, yep. It is a nice thick foam though, even for a broken snow foam lance. This is really good. You can see how thick it is. It also doesn't help that I've got a 30 metre extension on this, because the 30 metre extension does make me lose quite a bit of pressure. I think if I had it on the standard one, it would work a little bit better. So what do you think? We should just go with the standard one then, see if it works. Let's go with that, hold on. Right, okay guys, so we've taken off the extension, which is down there, and we're just on the standard one now, so we'll see if this foams up any better. Nope. No, I think my snow foam lance is away guys. I think it's screwed. But hey ho, we will still get it cleaned. Right, what I will say guys is, my snow foam lance is obviously not working right, but it's still got some decent suds out of it. It's still got some pretty decent suds out of it, and this heavy rain, it is still clinging to the vehicle. That's pretty decent. So what we're going to do is I'm going to go around and give the wheels a clean. I'm going to leave that on the vehicle to see if it sticks there while I do the wheels. But yeah, looks like it might be a new snow foam lance on the horizon guys, because that one definitely is not working right. The reason I know this is because I tried this yesterday. I was using it yesterday on the fleet, one of the fleet cars, and it worked perfect. That's why I was doing this video today, even in the rain. But anyway, we're going to give the wheels a clean, and then we're going to rinse off this snow foam, and we'll get back and we'll see how it's looking. Right guys, so I've just been round, washed all the wheels. So the wheels are all been cleaned, all sides. So we're now looking at this stuff being on here for around about 15 to 20 minutes, and it's been raining and it's still there. Remember, my snow foam lance isn't working correctly, so this is more watery than you would normally get, but it's still there guys. It's still clinging on. So we're going to give it a rinse off now, and we will see how its cleaning ability is. I'm starting to wonder if it's my pressure washer, by the way, because that's not a lot of pressure coming out of that either. Oh, the joys of detailing. Right, so I'm going to wrap up this section. I'm going to go ahead and rinse the rest of the car off, and we'll come back and we'll see how it is cleaning ability wise. See how it's softened up these bugs. Oh, straight off. That's truly remarkable, considering I've got no pressure at all in this essential pressure washer, because I think it's on its way out. But it's softening the bugs up enough that they rinse off before I get onto it with the wash mitt and the bucket. Yep, I'm definitely liking this. So what are we thinking about this Infinity Wax Power Foam? Well, to be honest, it's brilliant stuff. And I'm not just saying that because I really like Infinity Wax, I'm saying that because it is brilliant stuff. So we'll just go over the good points for it again. We've got a brilliant dilution ratio, it's 50:1 for general use, 10:1 for heavy use, and the car's heavily soiled. It has amazing dwell time. Like I'm saying, my snow foam lance isn't working for some unknown reason. I don't know if it's pressure in the pressure washer or if it's the filter in the actual snow foam bottle, snow foam lance itself, so I'm going to have to investigate that and see. But even with that, guys, the dwell time that I had on this was nearly 20 minutes at one point. So the dwell time is amazing. There is one more factor about this stuff which is amazing from my point of view, is the Infinity Wax Power Foam has built-in corrosion inhibitors. Now, as far as I know, I'm not an expert on this, but as far as I know, that is one of the best things about this. So even if whether you're putting it on a brand new car like this one, or whether you're putting it on an older car, the corrosion inhibitors are a great addition to this product. Absolutely amazing. And I'm sure that dwell time of 20 minutes has got to be market leading. It's got to be. Any other snow foam I've used has never sat on the paintwork for 15-20 minutes in the rain. Do you know what I mean? It was raining when I put that on, and it was still there. Added to the fact my snow foam lance isn't working correctly, so it wasn't coming out as thick as it should. I have used this stuff a few days ago when my snow foam lance wasn't as bad as it is now, and it was fantastic. Really thick foam. It was dripping off like shaving foam. It really was really good. So there you go, guys, a quick review on this stuff, which is the new Infinity Wax Power Foam. All I can say is, guys, is get on the website. I'll put the links down below. Buy it and give it a try. That's all you can do. From my point of view, standalone, it is amazing. The cleaning power, the dwell time, and the thing which I found out recently was the corrosion inhibitors. Amazing stuff. Anyway, guys, thank you very much for watching. This has been a non-paid review by Infinity Wax. They have not paid me to do this review. I bought the product myself, I've tested the product myself, I've reviewed the product myself, and I'm uploading the video myself. So again, thanks to Infinity Wax for such an amazing product anyway, and we'll hopefully get on and see you in another review very shortly. Thank you very much.